Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Ikea unboxing, and as you can see, I've already opened the box so I didn't have to play around with the scissors on camera. I should start doing that more often to make my videos a little bit shorter. But anyway, I still haven't seen inside. So let's take a look. And I just wanted to say, I don't have an Ikea in town. But I just found out last week that I could order from Ikea, and they will deliver for free to my local Staples. So Staples is an authorized shipping center, and I don't have to pay for shipping, which is awesome. So this is very different. I've never seen this kind of shipping material before. It's really cool. It's like an accordion thing. Whee! That's very cool. I like it. You could probably make like an arts and crafts palm tree out of this thing. So, and there's all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to keep this. Look at all the shipping stuff. And it's all together so it doesn't make a mess. That's really nice. And here's what I got. So this is the Mala portable drawing case in red. And it's for children, but I thought this would be nice for my car and for my house for my drawing stuff. So let's take a look at the back. It says it's 100% polyester, Ikea supply. So it doesn't really say much. So let's just take this off. No, I can't do it. I'm going to have to use my scissors. Now it'll rip. So, this has a nice firm board here. And, well, let's just use this now. I'll just rip a piece of paper. So say I had a piece of paper. You could wedge it in here to hold it in place. It's a nice firm drawing board. It's lightweight, which I like. I have some really nice ones that are wooden, but they're pretty heavy. So I don't know if this is wood or this might just be like fake wood with plastic around it, but it's really nice. And in over here we have a pretty heavy duty zipper. You can see that. It's a big thick zipper. So I like that this is made for children because usually when they make something for children, they make it pretty tough. And inside here, you have room that you could put your sketchbook, and you could put pens and scissors. It's got a little pocket. You could put like a small paint set if you want. This is really nice. I mean, it's not going to fit a whole lot because it's got a very thin profile. But this would be nice for pencil crayons or markers if you want to draw outside or anywhere in your house, really. There's got an inner pocket here with this pouch. I mean, you could even fit an iPad in here. Not that you would need to, but it's got a lot of space. Like this would hold a really big sketchbook. Like not a super thick sketchbook, but a big one. It's reinforced with plastic on the inside. This is really nice. I like it a lot. So I'm thinking, I've been trying to learn how to do some plein air painting, which is painting outside. So I've been buying different things for that. And some is more portable for when I go for a walk. Like I wouldn't go for a walk with this, although I could. I mean, it's super light. I have a backpack. It would be really easy to throw this in a backpack if I wanted to. But I would probably go with my smaller, like, I have much smaller sets for when I'm walking that are very, very lightweight. So I'd probably go with those instead. But this would be nice for the car, too. Just nice to take in the yard. This would be perfect for camp. Yeah, And I really like that it has all this room. You could put pencil, like paint brushes in here. You can put a bunch of your pencils and your pens, your sketchbook, your paints. There's just so much room. Can you see that? So that's really nice. And it's pretty and vibrant. It's got this nice little strap. And if you wanted to, you could clip like a handbag strap onto that too and put it over your shoulder. So yeah, I like this a lot. I'm really glad I got it. $19.99 Canadian on Ikea. So I'm really pleased with that. All right, guys, and I didn't know that I could shop in Ikea from here, because normally Ikea is not a place I could shop. We don't have one. So I'm really, really pleased to know that I could shop at Ikea and have it delivered to my local Staples for free. Because usually they will deliver to your door, but that doubles the price, right? So, yeah, so I just paid $19.99 free shipping. And I've got this really cute little Mala portable drawing case. I really like it a lot. So if you have kids, this will really be nice too. Like, especially if you're going on a road trip or something and they're bored in the car, that would be really nice. And it seems nice and heavy duty. And it's hard on the back as well. So it's very sturdy. And the stitching seems to be good. Yeah, I'm really, really excited about this. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Happy crafting. Bye, guys.